So, ayan guys, good morning, good evening. So, it's me again, Jean in your heart. And today's video guys is, tada! Magka-unboxing tayo ng cellphone! Oh my god, I'm so happy. So, let's unboxing this one. And before I will unboxing this, I'm just wanna shout out to Tita Marie. Tita Marie, this is it. This is the phone that you give me a birthday gift and Christmas gift in advance. So here we are, Tita Marie. So this one is I didn't my boss buy this one. I didn't buy this one. I just asked a favor to my boss if she can go to mall or something like that. She will buy because I have work. I'm so busy. And then a little distance the mall from here in our house. So I asked him, so supposed to be my friends want to buy, my friends, she vacation there in Philippines. Then I asked her to buy a Philippine phone there because it's more cheap there in the Philippines, have 4,000, 3,000, like something like that. So, but my friend is so busy, so she didn't buy it, but it's okay. That's why I asked my boss if she can buy me a cell phone, not so expensive, just to only for use for YouTube or for personal or something for backup. So this is it. So Tita Marie, shout out to you and I will open. So this one. Tadaan! Wala na ni edit-edit, diretso-diretso na ni siya. So ayun guys. Dadan dadan dadan. Dadan dadan dadan. Dadan 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 dadan. So shout out to Mike. Mike is here watching me while I unboxing. So while I unboxing, Mike is in the phone call. He's watching me while unboxing these videos. So yeah, opening. So this is it. So ayan. Tadan! What's the color this one? Naka-sell pa talaga siya guys. Oh. Naka-sell pa siya. Ah, what's the color? Wow! What's the color this one? Han, look at Han. What's the color this one? Look at Han. Yeah. Tadan! Wait, I will show my my boyfriend. Say hi, Han. Say hi. It's okay. So Mike is in the so look at. So naka-Korean pa siya. I-set ko pa siya ng Philippine. Oh, English. So ayan guys, sinit up ko lang siya ng to on. Tapos kailangan pa siya So ayan, ito po siya. So let's try natin yung camera niya. Kung maglinaw ba. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, ang ganda! Pak! Look at. Oh, ganda niya. Who's that girl? Ang linaw ng ano niya, camera. Look at. Wow, ang ganda niya. Wow. Bago pa yan wala pa yan siyang wala pang gas. So, let's check the charger. This is the charger. Tadan. Type-C po yung charger niya. Naka-cell pa po yung charger. Naka-cell. Sorry for my nails so messy. Pangit ng kuko. Ayan, let's check if it is working. Okay. And then charge natin dito. Ayun. Wait a minute. Mali pala siya. Dapat pala siya So, tignan natin kung nag-charge siya. Ayan, nag-charge po siya. So, okay naman yung charger niya. Tapos, may pin. May pin din siya. May pin. Pusok nyo sa dito sa gilid pag mag-open kayo dito. Tapos, may mga guide pa siya. Naka-Korean yung guide niya. This Korean phone. Ayan. Wow, ganda! So, my Korean boss, siya po yung nagpili nito. She choose this one. I said to her that just buy a little cheap cell phone. That I said to her, and then she choose this one, but this is 8,000 guys in peso. 8,000 in peso guys, 8,000 plus, but she added a little amount to this phone because she said this is better. She liked this one, she chose this one, and I said it's little expensive, and she said she's also a birthday gift from me. She's also birthday gift for me. So look at. So this is ganda. So thank you so much Tita Marie, and thanks to my Korean boss also for this advanced birthday gift. Thank you so much. I really am so blessed. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for your kindness to me. Thank you Tita Marie. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's my first time that someone will give me a phone, and my friend in YouTube. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Tita Marie, and to my Korean boss for your kindness. Thank you for your love and support to my YouTube channel. And thank you for always coming. Tita Marie, God bless you more and more. Take care always there in Canada. And stay. What's this? Nothing. So, ayan. Bless you more and more, Tita Marie. I love you so much. Thank you. Tita Marie said, because you are a very hardworking person, very hardworking single mom, you deserve something gift. That's Tita Marie tell to me. That's why, oh my God, I'm so touched because someone's appreciate me. But I don't know. Oh my God, that's why when me and Tita Marie were talking in private, I cried. My tears coming out. I feel I'm so na-distract ako ni Mike. Mike is in the line. So ayan. Yeah, naiyak talaga ako sa sobrang saya ko. Oh my God, I have. So, I have my phone also. I use my phone. This is iPhone 12. This one. I bought this one last month. This one, and I will when I'm come back to Philippines next year, I will give this iPhone 12 to my daughter. I will give this to Ashley. And then I will use this one, Samsung. And then the one I use in vlogging right now is some Galaxy Note 25. 25 like that. Galaxy Note, that phone also is my boss also give me last year. Yeah, she's a birthday gift also to me. And then now this year 2025, I received also another cell phone, a birthday gift also cell phone. So ayan. Thank you so much, Tita Marie. I love you so much. And to my boss, God bless you. And thank you for your support. You know, guys, when I do live, my boss also sometimes watching my YouTube. When I do live in YouTube, my boss also watching me. And then sometimes I'm so lucky because my boss is so very supportive to me. Very supportive to my YouTube channel. So, ayan. Shout out to my boss. God bless you always. And then, Tita Marie, thank you. And everyone, thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for always coming to my live. And to all my sponsors for my upcoming birthday giveaways, thank you so much. Especially to Mike. Thank you so much, Mike Guapo, for your love to me, for your kindness, for your generosity to me. So, shout out to Mike Joe in my heart. So, anyway, everyone, thank you. That's it for today's video. You want to bye-bye, Han? Say bye! they cannot, they cannot see you they cannot hear you because I use AirPods. I connect you in Bluetooth. So, anyway, we can see you in my premiere later. I premiere this one later, Han. So, ayan guys, thank you so much. And this is me, Jane in your heart. Lord, thank you for the blessings and thank you for sending a good people in my life and a good friends and a good supporters. Thank you so much. Tita Marie, I love you. So, ayan guys. Yes, Tita Marie. Tita Marie, Mike said thank you. So, ayan. I will premiere this one and then the last chatter will receive two person will win 50 Gcash. Two last chatter will receive 50 Gcash. So good luck everyone and thank you and God bless you. Keep safe always and bye. God bless. Babush. This is me, Jin in your heart. Bye.